Ever dreamt of plucking fresh, zesty lemons from your very own tree? Start that journey by selecting the perfect seed. A good seed is firm, plump, and dark in color. Opt for Meyer or Eureka varieties for best results at home. Remember, a healthy seed is the first step towards a thriving lemon tree. Now that you've chosen your seed, it's time to initiate the magic of germination. Carefully prepare the seed for planting, ensuring moisture and warmth for sprouting. These key elements are crucial in the germination stage. With the right conditions, your seed will soon sprout into a promising seedling. As your seed sprouts, it's vital to provide it with a nurturing home. Choosing the right container is key. Look for pots that offer generous space and have good drainage. This ensures your lemon seedling has room to grow and breathe. A good container sets the foundation for your lemon tree's healthy growth. As your lemon tree begins to sprout, it needs tender, loving care. Cultivate its growth with just the right amount of water. Not too much, not too little. And let's not forget about sunlight. It craves a balance of shade and shine. With consistent care, your sapling will grow strong and healthy. As your lemon tree matures, it's time to give it more room to grow. Transplanting into a larger container or garden begins with preparing nutrient-rich soil. Ensure a smooth transition by gently loosening the roots before the move. With successful transplantation, your lemon tree is well on its way to bearing juicy lemons. Now sit back and watch as your lemon tree transforms from a tiny seed to a flourishing citrus producer. This journey unfolds in stages, starting with the sprouting of the first few leaves, then the growth of branches, and eventually, the blossoming of flowers. As your tree matures, anticipate the appearance of tiny green fruits, slowly ripening to a vibrant yellow. Remember, healthy growth is signaled by lush, glossy leaves and a sturdy trunk. With patience and care, you'll soon be able to enjoy the fruits of your labor, literally,